morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Mateo and I travel full-time in my self-converted 2001 Ford E250 with my cat Lars. Right now we are just waking up at a truck stop, and we have a bit of a while to drive today to get to our location where we're going to be spending Christmas this year. But before that, I have a few things I need to do today. I need to buy some groceries to last us for a few days. I need to charge my power generator so we can have some power. And hopefully, if I have enough time, I need to do a little laundry and fill up my 10-gallon water so I can have water for a few days. So yeah, I have a lot to do today, so I'm just gonna get started so we can get to where we're going before it gets dark, hopefully.
We're doing great.
Boy, that was not fun. It was like a war zone in there. So many people just like pushing past each other. That was, whoo boy. I don't know why I didn't expect that. It's like right before Christmas. All right, now I'm at Starbucks. I'm gonna go in here real quick and try to charge my generator. All right, this shouldn't take long because it's already at like 50%, so I just want to get it to 100. Already at like 50%, but I want to get it to 100 so we can make sure we can use it tonight. Let's go. All right, so before we go drive to our spot where we're gonna be staying for the next few days leading up to Christmas, I got some food because I have to straight drive. I was gonna hopefully like cook something real fast, but truth be told, I don't have the time. It's already like 3 o'clock. It's gonna be dark in like an hour and a half. And I really would like to make it there before it's like too dark. So I stopped at Taco Bell because they have a new item that I have not tried before. I didn't even know it was really coming out. They have chicken nuggets. I'm gonna let you guys see them first. They smell decent. I'm not gonna lie, they smell pretty decent. And it comes with 3 sauces. The Bell sauce, which looks like a typical like chicken sauce, the Fire Ranch, and jalapeno honey mustard. I kind of want to try that one. So yeah, I just got some quick dinner because I have to drive straight to where I'm going. Only stop for gas. Got a few more hours ahead. But yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a perfect spot for Christmas. That's what I'm hoping. But yeah, this is what the chicken looks like. It honestly doesn't look bad for like when I heard about Taco Bell chicken. I mean, they did used to have chicken wings and they were honestly kind of fire. So I guess we'll see. But yeah, this is the Taco Bell chicken nugget. I'm gonna try it by itself first. Wish me luck, Bubby. Cheers. Honestly, that's kind of fire. Honestly, that's low-key fire. What does it kind of remind me of? It kind of reminds me of like Jack in the Box chicken, but better. Honestly, this is like actually good. Let's try it with the honey mustard. A little bit of heat. That's low-key fire. The Fiery Ranch. Not a fan of that one. I usually love ranch, but that one, it just tastes like, it's not hot at all. So it just tastes like a weirdly flavored ranch. Lastly, I'm gonna do the Bell sauce. Also, I know this is weird that I'm doing like a food review, but if you guys are OGs, we've done food reviews on this channel quite a few times. And also, I don't have much to really film today. I just needed to prep, get some stuff to be out in the middle of nowhere for a few days straight. So I needed to get my water, my groceries, charge my stuff, and now I have to drive for a few more hours. So that's really it. So sorry, today is a weird day where we're doing a food review of Taco Bell for some reason with the Bell sauce. Yeah, this really reminds me of like Jack in the Box. The sauce and the chicken. Honestly, the Bell sauce is fine. The honey mustard is where it's at. Jalapeno, honey mustard, this stuff is fire. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. We need to hit the road before it gets too late. So, Taco Bell, chicken nuggets. Comparing them to like other fast food chicken nuggets, they're like a good 6.8 out of 10. Honestly, not bad. They taste way better than a lot of the other fast food chicken nuggets. So I gotta say, I was like happily surprised. So yeah, let's hit the road and get to where we're gonna be spending Christmas.
That you never had. Don't tell nobody that you was abandoned. I'm the only one that knows about your tragedy.
This town is empty, and there's like Christmas music ominously playing from somewhere. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Kinda creepy, but yeah, I'm just filling up on gas. We still got